Alright, for all my Jeep friends that have the diesel in them. Last week, I had to replace a glow plug. This is the 3-liter Eco Diesel. The glow plug is right down here. This cable, and you can see it goes down into there. Had to pull that out to get to it, but I had to pull the cover off, and then there's this piece of rubber that goes on here, and it hooks on underneath there, kind of just like that one. Well, in the process of putting this back on, I broke one of the pieces right here. There's a tubing that comes from here over to there, and then ends over there. And these are the fuel injectors. And as you can see, there's a piece stuck in there. This is what the piece looks like. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little O-ring on there, the whole works. And this is the piece that got broke. Well, I had to go down and buy a new one. There's your numbers and everything. This piece is $200, and what it is this is the piece that I need to replace, but this also goes around to the other side for the other three. So what I'm going to do is disconnect it here and just put that piece back on. So be very careful when you put that rubber piece back on so you don't break these pieces. This is a terrible design. I don't even know what this rubber actually does, other than probably protect the injectors and everything. So, alright, just a side note, there's the piece I need to replace. Something that you need to know is this white clip right here. It pushes down to lock it in, so you need to actually pull that up before you try to pull this out, otherwise you'll break that piece off inside there. So just a note of the warning, make sure you're pulling those up and before you really pull those out. Alright, this is going to be very noisy. I got everything back together. There's the new piece, connected to the other. Now I just need to put the cover back on the top of the engine.